Hi, this is Bryce with eLearning Brothers, and this is a tutorial about our Camtasia scenarios and what you need to know to get started. Okay, so right now I picked out the conversational scenario that I want, and that's the server room one. Okay, so once I'm on this page, I can see a bunch of different information for me. Description of what this template will do, the features that I can customize, also included files that come along with the download. And this one's very important, the software requirements. This is the PC version that is available right now. We also might in the future have Mac versions as well. But if you just see PC, that's all that's available at this time. Okay, so then there'll also be a link for this the video as well. Now when I go to download this, as you can see right here, this is a compressed file that I'm going to download, or a zipped file. So if I download this, I can open the folder location. I can just show in folder. Let's bring this over here. And I can now extract this folder. And the way you do that is simple. You can do it a couple different ways. You can right-click and extract all. Okay. You can also come up here to the extract tab right here and just hit extract all, just right here. That's simple. And then I can find or place it in a file location that I like. Right now I'm just going to throw it on my desktop as well. So same location where the zipped file is at currently. All right, so now if you see here on my desktop, I now have two folders that are named the exact same thing. However, one is a zipped folder and one is not. So first of all, you do want to make sure you go into the unzipped folder, and now I can open up my Camtasia project. So now if I wanted to open that, I come over here and you can either double click on it, and this is the way I like to open it. It's just drag it into a new or blank Camtasia project. Now, one thing that you do have to worry about, this is the tricky part about opening up Camtasia, is that you need to relink all of these assets. So currently, these assets were going to this location here, and they think that all the MP3 and the images are all located here in Camtasia server room, and then in here. However, it's now on my desktop, so I need to change this root location here. So one thing you need to make sure to do is remember the name. So we go corporate-man_cut.mp3. So just remember that in your mind, or maybe even write it down if that helps. Click yes, corporate man cut mp3, and then I go to my desktop where it's located. Okay, and then into this folder, audio, and corporate man cut right here. Now once I update one of these assets, all of them should follow the same that same root location. So let's put this to test here. Exactly. So that's exactly what I was wanting to happen, is that all these assets, now that I updated one of the assets here in my clip bin, all these other ones that had the same root location also updated as well. Okay. So that's one thing you do need to worry about is just the location. So let's take, for example, this. If I were to close out Camtasia, and I can save this, sure. But now I move my folder. Okay, so I go back to my desktop. Now I move my folder. Let's say cut it, and let's put it, let's just say in my downloads folder here. Okay, so right here. Now that it's in my downloads folder, I want to open it up again. Okay, so I open up Camtasia, this one, which is now in my downloads folder with all these assets as well. Remember, these assets also came with it, with the people characters, the backgrounds, the audio, everything. Okay, so I'll show you the problem with moving Camtasia projects and Camtasia assets. Once I open it this way, I get again this this saying that, you know what, I can't find this at my desktop. See, previously I saved it. When I saved it, the file location was on my desktop right here. But now I changed it to put it in my downloads folder. So I want to update this again. Say corporate man _ cut mp3. Yes. Now I need to go locate where I put that. So it was in my downloads folder. And then this one. And in here, audio, corporate man cut, open, and then voila. They should all work out just fine. So now that I have it open, now comes the easy part. All I need to do is go in here and modify the text. So I can go in here. Oops, sometimes when I click on this, you want to make sure, if you noticed, I clicked on it and it moved just slightly. So I'm just going to undo that and it's going to move down 1 pixel again. So now I can change my key points. New key point. Yay. Right. Okay. So so that's my new key point, and I can update any one of these. I just instead of actually clicking on screen, sometimes I like to just click here. So then it makes sure that I don't move these locations. So that's one tip that I've found pretty useful. Also, you can change the color boxes if you so desire by just clicking on again these boxes here and changing the fill right here. So I can change it to blue or whatever I want. Okay. So that's simple. I can also update, say I don't want this pose, but I want another pose for this lady in this position. So all I need to do is right click here and update media and say I have a bunch of other ones that you could use right here. So maybe I wanted this one that she's looking on, whatever she's looking on here. I would open here, and now I got a new image. Same effects are happening. I have these fade out. Here, let's zoom in a little bit and you can see what's happening. I have these fade actions here, and she's in there at the same time that I had previously. So yeah, you don't have any problems with that. And same thing goes with the background. Say if you want to change this background, all you need to do is right click on it and update media, and you can change it to whatever you want. And it will have all those same transition effects. Everything will be the same. Same duration throughout the project, things like that. So that right there is how you get started with our Camtasia scenarios.